So now that I have all the staples loosened that I can get from this angle, it's time for me to walk around the other side. But as I'm doing that, I want to remind you to take lots of pictures. I hope you're remembering any details that seem unusual. You want to document those. But the other things that we want to pay attention to are what pieces are coming off, what order that they're coming off in, and labeling those pieces as they come off. So you don't have to do anything fancy, but like this piece right here, before that comes off and just becomes a rectangle of fabric, I want to make sure that I make a note as to what it is and where it went. So my favorite way is just like this. I'm just going to take chalk or marker, and all I need is a little OB to tell me that that's the outside back. And what I'm also doing is I'm marking my bottom edge on everything. So you can adopt any system you want, that's fine. You just want to make sure that you know what piece it is and what direction it was on, because it seems really obvious now, but once you're sitting with a pile of rectangles, it's really hard to tell what went where. So just make sure that you get on there, and then we can keep going. So is a little nail right here, and then I should be able to keep traveling up the side of the back. And what I'm really doing is kind of reversing that upholstery process. So if you were doing something that you didn't have a good resource for, a good video or a good book, part of what you'd be paying attention to here is, okay, well, what's the first piece that came all the way off? It was the bottom cloth. So that's going to be the last piece to go back on. And my next to last piece is going to be this outside back. So then you can really leave that trail of breadcrumbs and put it all back together later on.